I built an AI cold calling agent in under 5 minutes, and it's quickly changing the way we do outbound. So the conversational AI space is exploding right now. And over the past few months, we've been testing new tools, voice agents, validation platforms, and social media systems. And honestly, it's been a game changer. And when it comes to cold calling, dialing into dead air is quickly becoming a thing of the past. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I built a fully functional AI cold caller in 5 minutes using tools that anyone can access. You don't need a dev team. You don't need a 6-month implementation plan. You just need a couple of tools and 5 minutes up your sleeve. Let's get into it. So step 1. Firstly, I've created 2 accounts, one with ElevenLabs and one with Twilio. ElevenLabs is a conversational AI voice platform, and that's where I built the voice agent. And then Twilio is what actually makes the calls and gives you a number to work with. Both setups took a couple of minutes to implement. Step 2, I then imported Twilio into ElevenLabs to connect everything together. This is the step that basically says, hey, this is the number to use when making AI calls, and it's super simple to integrate. Step 3, I then jumped into the conversational AI section of ElevenLabs and created my first voice agent. And since we're calling Australian prospects, I picked an Aussie sounding accent and slowed the voice down just a touch to make it sound more natural and more human-like. Step 4, I then wrote the system prompt. And this is the most crucial part when creating a conversational AI. So I structured this prompt around a few key things. First, I gave the AI a relaxed and casual but curious personality. I then defined the environment, so what the call is about and who specifically the AI agent will be speaking with. I then set the tone, calm, friendly, and never pushy, because the purpose of this agent is to validate data primarily. And then I gave it a clear goal, what exactly we're trying to achieve from this call. And finally, I added some guardrails, specifically what not to do. This part's really important. And then finally, step 5, I hit test. The agent called me, ran the script, and it worked first go. Now, there's a few areas I'd like to tweak, but the general gist of it's there, and I'm really happy with it. So this process took about 5 minutes from start to finish, and anyone can do it. Now, I'm not saying you should hand over your outbound cold calling process to AI just yet. We're still early, and there's a lot of kinks to still iron out. But from what we've seen in our testing, this kind of setup is pointing to a very specific use case, and it can completely revolutionize the way we do outbound. So if this sounds interesting, feel free to reach out and we'll show you exactly what we're doing to integrate AI into our cold calling outbound process. Cheers.